Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is our second lecture and today we will see how to install Python on Windows. So let's get started. Type Python install on your browser and then click on download Python. Here you can see the recent version of the Python. Click on that, save the file. Once it is downloaded, open and click on the exe to install your Python program. After the program is installed, you can see this on your recently added items on Windows. So if you click on the Windows button, it will show you. So open the IDLE and here let's just print some message. Print and then my message. It will print the message on the screen. Let's create a file and write the program which we talked in our first video. First number and then second number, result equal first number plus second number. Save this file in your system and remember one thing: when you are saving the file, you need to add the extension as .py. Py means this is a Python program. Save it and now run the program, and you can see we don't have any output right now. So let's print the result on the screen so that we can see the output. Now run, and here you can see we have the result 8. That's it for today, and if you have any question, feel free to leave the comment below.